In this video, I'm going to factor a quadrinomial. This is the given quadrinomial. I'm going to do so by grouping. By the way, quadrinomial is a polynomial with 4 terms in it, just to give you the definition. Now let's create the groups. So this is my first group and this is my second group. In the first group, I have 4x cubed minus 12x square. What can I factor out in this first group? I could factor out 4 because 4 goes into 4, 4 goes into 12. And then x cube and x square, I could factor out x square because x square goes into x cube, x square goes into x square. If I did that, I'm going to get the following. 4x square, so let's do it on the side, 4x cube over 4x square. That's gonna give you the following. 4 cancel out. X cube over x square is x to the power 3 minus 2 is equal to x to the power 1, which is just x. This is gonna be x. Then minus 3. Now in the second group, I could factor out a negative 9, and if I did that, I get x minus 3. Why? Negative 9x over negative 9, which is just x, and then 27 over negative 9 is negative 3. Now please note, I have taken a quadrinomial, which is a polynomial with 4 terms like this one, and converted it into a binomial, which is a polynomial with 2 terms. Now after doing so, I noticed that I can go further. This first term has x minus 3, second term has x minus 3, so I could factor out x minus 3. If I did that, I'll be left with from the first term 4x squared and from the second term negative 9. Now we are kind of halfway done, however we can go further. Let's look at this, 4x squared minus 9. 4x squared minus 9. Note that 4x squared is 2x whole square. Why? 2x times 2x is 4x squared minus 9 is 3 square, which is 3 times 3. Now that, by the way, gives me a new opportunity for factoring through difference of squares. Remember, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So this is like my a is my 2x and my b is 3. So if I did that, if I used this difference of squares, is going to be 2x plus 3, that means a plus b, then a minus b, which is going to be 2x minus 3. So in essence, what I have is this, the first term as it is, x minus 3, first factor. Now the second factor, which is this one, I can factor it into further 2x plus 3, then 2x minus 3. And that's how you should be factoring this given quadrinomial. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.